Well, howdy there, folk. Today I have a couple of nice products here for you. We're comparing the two Medline chairs. This one is actually a wheelchair, while this one is actually a transportation chair because its wheels are just too dang small. So that's the main difference between these two. Thanks for joining. I'm kidding, I have more to say. And I don't need to hold this cane anymore, and that was for the effect. Look at it go, whee! Anyway, these are the two Medline chairs. They are relatively similar, but the main difference, as you can see, is that they're different colors. Haha, one is red, one is black. And also, one has these massive wheels, and one has these small ones. Now, this obviously makes this one a lot lighter. Not maybe like 15 pounds or 10 pound difference, I don't know. But that's a lot of urethane and plastic and whatnot, so the metal's also slightly larger, I think. But let's compare the sitting effect. Now, each of these also comes with these two foot supports, just in case you still have your legs, like I do. But you put your feet in here. Now, these are attached via this locking mechanism. And they come off just like this for transportation. Each of them also has this locking mechanism, which unlocks like this, uses this pin mechanism to extend the leg with a leg support thingy. And then you can lock it again by car, like that. And then you attach it by placing it on the pins and locking it in place. Now both of them have that. The difference between these two, in addition to that, is number one again. Each time I'm just gonna say number one. The brakes in this, thank you for not killing me. The brakes in this are handheld like this. Whereas in the black one, or I should say in the large wheel one, they are not. It feels like this is getting stopped somehow. There are no handheld brakes to be seen, besides for on the red one, that is. The brakes on this one are actually on the wheels themselves. So I'm gonna lower this down and we can see even more details here. All right. So these are the large wheels. You can see there's not a ton of traction here. So on the asphalt and on the sidewalk, if you're trying to go too fast, like Sonic, gotta go fast, you know, you just gotta, then you can slip a little bit on these wheels. But these are the brakes down here, accessible to the person sitting in the chair and to you if you want to bend down. But they are just activated via this lever. Whereas, come on, you get stuck. On this, they're on the handles. Now, this one also includes this handy dandy seat belt. Got to keep yourself safe while zooming down the sidewalk. Whereas this one does not. Let me zoom out here by walking backwards. Whee! All right, they both fold up easily enough by just gripping the handlebars and slamming it together. Come here, you. And both are relatively comfortable to sit in. Come here. See, easy to open, easy to sit in. Now, I'm gonna see what it looks like and what it feels like when I do some tricks. Oh, here's another difference, by the way. These wheels, not these wheels, these feet supports have these straps in back in the large wheel version. So that's another useful additional detail because this can be for your ankles as well. So the black one in most scenarios, I would say, is good for most purposes, except for if you prefer except for if you prefer to exclusively be pushed. The main difference I would say with the red one is that its rear tires are smaller, but they have more traction. They're also wider, whereas these ones obviously are controllable by the person sitting in the chair, while for the red one, it is not. So stay with me as I practice my wheelchairing. Car. Ah! I forgot to brake. Always remember to brake. Anyway, what a kind, gentle person to allow my shenanigans to occur in their vicinity and still pass me by with nary a honk. All right, that'll be it for this one. Generally, if you want to push yourself, get the black one. If you want someone else to push you exclusively, get the red one. All right? All right, gentlemen and ladies, thank you for joining me in this activity today. I know it was a shorter episode, but I hope I was entertaining. Enjoy your afternoon, morning, evening, or some other time. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.